Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is December 8th, 2025. I'm bringing to you guys a Volvo EC160DL. This unit's got an oxide hydraulics. It is plumbed with a quick coupler, hydraulic quick coupler. And let's see what else this thing features. Pretty nice machine, guys. Without further ado, it does come with this bucket that's on it. We're gonna go ahead and give you a quick walk around video here. Then we'll get you a quick operations video. Does have a backup camera. Nice undercarriage on the thing. Guys, got 5,900 hours showing on the meter. Pump is pretty dry. Not seeing any major leaks anywhere. The pump is sealed up as it's supposed to be. Fuel looks clean. We've had it running out here for about 25-30 minutes. And it's run really good without any hesitation. Good undercarriage again, guys. Pins are still smooth. Sprockets have got good life left on them. Again, oxide hydraulics, guys. It's also got that hydraulic quick coupler on it. It's probably a Rockland. Looks like a Rockland. Oh, it sure is, Rockland. Got a Gieth bucket it comes with, guys. I'll tell you, I think this is a 34-inch. Yep, 34-inch bucket they call them. 34 to 36 inch. Has the ripper teeth on it. The boom and stick are in good condition. Go ahead and comes to the engine, show you there's no blow by or anything there. Looks dry. Looks nice and dry. Now you're supposed to get on it from that side, but we're gonna go ahead and get up on this side. That's the Volvo engine. Zero blow by. Runs clean, guys. No hesitation anywhere. Sounds good. This is where you actually get off, but unfortunately I didn't open the door. Let's see if I can open the door from here. Nope, there we go. All right. This side looks good as well. New batteries you just put into it. Been sitting for a minute. It does have a quick changeover if you wanted to change your controller on your pilot controls. You go either backhoe or John Deere. Again, nice undercarriage on this side, same as the other. I have noticed you had to open the door here from the inside. Need something fixing that latch. The bottom glass here is missing. I'm not sure if it's with the machine somewhere, but we have not seen it. Maybe it's in the back. Oh, there it is. Sure enough, guys, it's got a piece of plexiglass for the bottom there, for the kick screen. Anyway, look, that backup camera's on there, as you can see. 5,900 hours on it, guys. It's got the auxiliary control here. It's not currently working. We don't have it set up in the machine to work. It's also got thumb controls and those controls as well. AC and heat machine. I have not tested it. Lights, 2-speed tracks. Got the hazard beacon on it as well. Again, Gieth bucket comes with the machine. We have other buckets over here, guys. These will be sold separately. Those will be sold separately in separate lots. Do not go with the excavator. But if you wanted to buy the excavator and then buy the buckets, you're more than welcome to do so, guys. But they will be sold separately. As you can see, guys, pretty nice machine, pretty tight, good hours on it. Let's go ahead and give you a quick little operations video here, let you see this machine in action. Well, I just broke my battery pack. Golly. All right, guys, on the Volvo EC160DL, give you a quick little operations here. All right, popping the camera in. All right, check it out, guys. All right, guys, as you can see, machine runs and works as it's supposed to. Forgot to close that engine compartment lid, but I think it did just fine. Tracks work as they're supposed to, 2-speed tracks. I tested them both ways. Got the ox hydraulics as well. Comes with this bucket only, guys. If you want to buy the other buckets here, they're available in separate lots. Got a frost bucket and some other buckets. But if you're interested in this machine and you got any questions, feel free to give us a call, watch the video. EC160D, nice machine with good hours, guys. Selling here on December 11th. Thank you very much. Give us a call, 972-666-9501 or 1-855-EQ-DEALS.